everyone, my name is Crizella Manadong and today I will explain the difference between indoor recreation and outdoor recreation. So, indoor recreation are the activities that we do inside, like at your home. These are activities that can make us happy. For example, reading or playing video games. On the other hand, outdoor recreation are what we do outside. For example, swimming, playing basketball, or soccer. Most of these activities usually need good weather and open spaces, like a basketball court and more. To summarize everything, indoor recreation are inside and outdoor recreation are outside. So, both are important in making us physically fit and mentally fit because not only it makes us happy, but it can also make us physically healthy. That is all. Thank you.